Hello everyone, how is it going? Today we're going to be using Python to send automated messages using WhatsApp. So there's a simple Python package which goes by PyWhatKit, and it allows us to send the messages with only 2 lines of code. You can basically install it by using pip install PyWhatKit. That's the spelling PyWhatKit. And just press enter and it'll install the library for you. Once you have done that, then you can simply open up your Python file. I'm using this under a virtual environment. Virtual environment helps you to keep your Python packages separate from the local computer. So once you have the main Python file opened up, you're going to be using import PyWhatKit to basically just import the library. Once we have PyWhatKit, we will use PyWhatKit to send the WhatsApp message. So we call PyWhatKit, hey, PyWhatKit, come down and I need your help to send out the WhatsApp message. And PyWhatKit has a function which says send what message. And we will use this function to send out our messages. There are 3 important parameters. One is the phone number. The second is the message that you want to type. So here we put down message, and the last option is the time. So whatever particular time you want this program to open up and then send the message. This is basically some sort of web automation application where once you open this application, once you run this application, and once the time is triggered, it will open up the web browser for you and then go to that particular phone number, type the message for you, and then send it out. So it's basically using the web WhatsApp module. So once you have everything written down, I'm going to be using a simple phone number, and I have a phone number which is pasted here, and it'll say, hey, how are you doing? How are you doing? Or how is everything on your end? So that's the message that I'm going to be sending out. And you have the timing. Right now it's 6:29 a.m. my time. I'm going to just say 6:31 maybe. So we give enough time for the Python application. Once we have everything, we just go ahead and run this. I'm using PyCharm here, and just run PyCharm, and it'll say in 78 seconds this particular website or with a web app portal of WhatsApp will open up and then send the message for us. So it'll give us a few seconds and we'll see how we can do this. So you can see the web WhatsApp folder has opened up, the browser has opened up for us, and it has logged in, and it has opened the phone number that we wanted to send out the message to. And in a few seconds, you will see a text pop up here. Now we can see the text popped up here, and right when the time comes in, it will send it out for us. And that's it. So you can see at 6:31 a.m. the message has sent out, and this was completely automated using Python.